Neuroscience just uncovered the exact techniques spies use to activate instant focus, even under insane pressure. But here's the problem: 99% of people are using focus tricks that actually make their brains worse.
Join Weekly Hacks now.
Right now, your brain can activate razor-sharp concentration in under 60 seconds. Yet most people never tap into this ability because they're missing the fundamental mechanism behind instant focus. But wait, here is why most focus techniques fail. They target the wrong neural pathway entirely. The biggest mistake people make when trying to improve focus and memory is adding more stimulation when they should be removing mental noise. I got a question for you. When you can't focus, what do you normally do? You grab another coffee, or try a productivity app, or turn up your music. That's exactly why you're stuck. A recent study found that reducing cognitive stress is actually the fastest route to peak attention. This flips everything we thought we knew about trying harder or loading up on caffeine. Let me share the first neurohack that actually works: structured breathing. It sounds too simple, but here's the thing: a 5-minute breathing pattern called cyclic sighing can drop your stress hormones and boost your brain's processing power almost instantly. This isn't meditation, it's a precise psychological hack that outperforms pretty much everything else for rapid focus. This is critical. These techniques work fastest when used in a specific sequence, just like a spy would before a mission. When you use these research-backed neurohacks, you can enhance your working memory by up to 30%. You can activate sustained attention within minutes. Your mental stamina during long tasks goes through the roof. And the best part is, they work even when you're under serious pressure, like during that presentation when your mind usually goes blank. The thing is that the mindfulness stuff everyone's talking about is legit, but not for the reasons most people think. It's not about emptying your mind and finding your zen. The way it really works is by training your attention to notice when it wanders and snap back to focus. Think of it like mental push-ups for your focus muscle. 5 minutes is all it takes. Surprisingly, the most effective neurohack isn't meditation or supplements at all. Something researchers discovered recently blew my mind. Certain video games and VR experiences can immediately improve your attention span, especially when you're mentally exhausted. This explains why people in high-pressure jobs might use these tools during breaks. They're not wasting time. They're literally resetting their brain's focus networks. There is this simple game called Duel 'em Back that's free online. 10 minutes of playing it is like a workout for your working memory. People who do this daily see improvements in just weeks. It's like your brain's version of hitting the gym. Here's the unexpected thing: reducing stress actually amplifies focus rather than diminishing it. This might sound backward, but the calmer you get, the sharper your focus becomes. By lowering your physiological stress, breathing exercises create the perfect brain state for performance. It's like clearing static from a radio signal. Those nootropics everyone's talking about these days, yes, they can help fight fatigue and keep you mentally sharp under pressure, but timing them right is everything. Just like a spy wouldn't take a stimulant right before needing steady hands, the research reveals these techniques have a specific window of effectiveness you need to know. Here's the truth: these neurohacks work amazingly well in the short term, perfect for when you need to crush a presentation or nail an interview. For someone in a high-pressure moment, that's all that matters. You need the mental edge now, not 3 months from now. All you gotta do is to start with structured breathing to clear the mental fog, then use a quick mindfulness exercise to prime your attention, follow with some cognitive training to sharpen your working memory. When you need extended focus, use tech tools strategically to reset your attention, and consider caffeine or other supplements based on how your body responds.